LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned we're looking for buy. We need the price to drop before we look for buy or get the buy setup. This is what we were talking about, but the price haven't broke the top. But after the price drop, the first sharp move flag we could buy because we mentioned, all right, actually there was two buy setup, whether one here and but this one we should trade based on 15-minute, but based on 1 hour chart we can take this one as a flag. Now we want to see whether this one can continue or not. Okay, now if we move to 15-minute, we just now mention, okay, anyone wanted to trade based on 15-minute, when they see this correction drop down, this is the only times they could have entry above this, and for this correction as well having entry above this. But as we can see, it's not moving really fast. The possibility we give us one more correction is there. That's why anyone is in the buy from here or here, that mean they should know if this one it start to move similar to what we draw here as a corrective. There is the continuation is corrective, not sharp, then maybe the price can drop, or maybe we get the bigger correction. The price drop, we get the bigger correction for continuation. Okay, that's mean we need to follow and see what will be the after a few hours, what's the move from here. If there is a continuation, we keep it, and any flag from there we can look for buy. Okay, the only reason I mentioned this, anyone is in the trade from here or here, at least they should know that may this one turn to another correction or reverse. Okay, now this is what we have been looking for. That's mean we have been looking for buy. This is what we get, and the only thing is from here and here, the only thing is you want to see whether there is a continuation or not. Okay, that's why traders have to at least if they see the reversal, they manage the trade. Okay, now if there is a continuation, any flag from now, a small correction, we can take it. And as long as we get into the profit, if we start to manage, if we see it's not moving fast, we take out the trade. We don't stay with the trade, because in the based on longer time frame, maybe this one we turn to the correction for one more drop. But if we see the price is moving, is like, for example, we get the correction and it's moving fast, is like sharp, then we just stay with the trade. Okay, right now we move to forward chart. Okay, we have nothing, and we want to see whether this is the start of the reversal or we can expect for the bigger correction. Okay, by the way, we move to 1 hour chart. We only need to follow the chart and see whether we get another opportunity to look for buy or not. And as I say, from now, if we get any small correction, we can look for buy, but we need to see whether this one there is a continuation, or based on lower time frame, can turn to be a corrective move if we move to 15-minute. Okay, this is what we need to look after. We see if this one is really not moving fast, then maybe we should consider that this one is there. Since this one have a broke the top, this is a correction internal for one move down. That's why maybe we get one more, the price can drop again. May it is the possibility of the price reverse and retest this low is very low. Maybe this one turn to another correction for continuation, or we get the bigger correction. If we get the bigger correction, it can give us a better confirmation, but we need to wait and see what we get from here, whether we get the continuation or correction. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes, then I will share. Thanks.